Welcome to New Age Furniture Wholesale and Retail Shop in Lucknow.
We deal in all types of furnitures: bed, sofa, center table, dressing table, wooden almirah, wardrobe, vertical wall bed, round bed. We are having combo offer of rupees 55,000, which include bed, side table, dresser, sofa, 5-seater, center table, mattresses, pillow at reasonable price.
Thanks for watching Learn Online with Faizan Khan. Kindly subscribe our channel, our latest update, and do press bell icon. For promotions on our channel, kindly mail us on our mail ID as mentioned on your page.